ਹੈਲੋ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ, ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਵਿੱਚ। ਤਾਂ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ, ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲੇ ਹਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਸਕੂਲ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਬੋਰਡ ਦੀ ਜਮਾਤ 7ਵੀਂ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਦਾ ਮੋਡਲ ਟੈਸਟ ਪੇਪਰ ਟਰਮ 2। ਤਾਂ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਦਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪੇਪਰ ਦੇਖਾਂਗੇ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸੋਲਵ ਵੀ ਕਰਕੇ ਦਿਖਾਵਾਂਗੇ। ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਰੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਨੇ, ਇਸ ਲਈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ याद कर लेना। तो चलो असी अपनी वीडियो नू शुरू करते हैं। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, टू यूज़ नंबर पैड डैश शुड बी कीप्ड ऑन। तो ये सही ऑप्शन आ जाएगी नम लॉक। हाउ मैनी पेन्स आर अवेलेबल इन विंडो एक्सप्लोरर। 2. How many types of primary memory? 4. Option B. To select a word dash click on it. Double. Multimedia is a combination of two words and dash and dash. Multimedia. Animation is a two types. These are dash and dash. Path frame. Requirements for multimedia dash and dash। तो ये सही ऑप्शन है हार्डवेयर सॉफ्टवेयर। DOS is a dash user system single। Filling the blank। In home row dash a key is pressed with little finger of left hand A। Primary memory is also called dash memory, main memory। The memory is divided into a number of small parts called cells। Underlines means dash means draw a horizontal line underneath the letters underline। To remove any unwanted parts of picture dash option is used। Crop option। A dash is an entry point for typing computer commands। Command prompt। Dash directory is the main directory, the root। A dash is used for combining several commands into one command, a batch file। A batch file is used for combining several commands into one command। Describe the position of your fingers on the third row key। How can we create a new folder with the use of keyword or explain screensaver? How many alignments are available in MS Word? Write their names and shortcut keys। What is animation? Explain or give example of 4 internal commands। What are difference between CUI and GUI? ਤਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਨੇ ਜੋ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬਾਅਦ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੇਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਣ ਆਨਸਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬਾਅਦ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੇਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਣਗੇ। ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਦੇਖ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਤਾਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੀ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਬਹੁਤ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਨੇ, ਇਸ ਲਈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਯਾਦ ਕਰ ਲੈਣਾ। ਲੌਂਗ ਆਨਸਰ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪਾਰਟ C। Explain the proper posture while typing। Or what is CD? Explain its types। Explain the following: run command, search command, calculator। Or write down application of multimedia। ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਭ ਨੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਦੇਖ ਲਏ ਹੋਣਗੇ। ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਆਨਸਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਹਾਂ। First question, describe the position of your fingers on third row key। Answer, on the standard QWERTY United States keyboard the third row keys 4 are left hand and are Z, X, C and B and your right hand are N, M, comma and full stop। For both hands the thumbs rest on the spacebar। How can we create a new folder in Keyword? Answer: to make a new folder we can press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Explain Screensaver. Screensaver is a computer program that can be set to turn on after a period of user inactivity. How many alignments in MS Word write their names? There are 4 main alignments in MS Words: left, right, center, and justified. Left aligned text is text that is aligned with a left edge. Right aligned text is text that is aligned with the right edge. Center aligned text is the text that is centered between two edges. What is animation? Animation is a way of making a movie from many still images. The images are put together one after another and then played at a fast speed to give the illusion of movement. What is the difference between GUI and CUI? CUI is the character user interface. DOS is the characterized as CUI. A CUI uses characters on screen that control with keyboard. CUI can be confusing and difficult to remember. GUI GUT is Omega Con user int size. Window is characterized as GUIL. A GUI use picture, symbols, word that control voice with mouse. GUI is very friendly and easy to remember. Explain the proper posture while typing. Answer: keeping your feet flat on the ground and your neck and back straight. Adjusting your elbows to an angle between 90 and 110 degrees. Keeping your wrists in a natural stance. Moving your monitor so that the top of your screen is at eye level. Adding appropriate ergonomics typing accessories. What is CD? Explain type. Compact disc. CD is a molded plastic disc containing digital data that is scanned by laser beam for the reproduction of recorded sound and other information. There are 3 main types: standard, manufactured CD, CDDA, CDR recordable, and CDR rewritable. Explain the following. Run command. Run command is the part of basic programming language used for starting a program. In Windows, people used run command to quickly open apps and documents. Simply press Win plus R shortcut key to open the run prompt. Run command in Windows 10. You can enter any application name or folder or document in the open text box. Search command. The find command is a filter to find lines in the input data stream that contain or don't contains specified string and send these to the output data stream. It does not support wildcard characters. The command is available in DOS, Digital Research, FlexOS. Calculator. Calculator is a software calculator developed by Microsoft and included in Windows. It has 4 modes: standard, scientific, programmer, and a graphic mode. The standard mode includes a number pad and buttons for performing arithmetic operations. Write down the application of multimedia. Education multimedia is used to teach students in school and colleges. Nowadays, multimedia CDs are used instead of textbooks. Business. Multimedia applications are used in business for marketing, advertising, network communications, online shopping, and more. It is also used in commercial marketing to motivate customer to buy products. Advertisement. Advertising industry used multimedia to promote businesses, products and services. Multimedia advertising is done using animation and graphic designs. Television, radio and print advertising are the most common mediums used in advertising. Entertainment. Multimedia is widely used in the entertainment industry. It is used especially in movies and videos game to create special effects. Music and videos apps are great example of multimedia entertainment. ਦਾ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ ਇਹ ਸੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ। ਜੇਕਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਪਸੰਦ ਆਈ ਹੋਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਅਤੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰ ਲਿਓ। ਤਾਂ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਅਗਲੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ।